So friends, welcome to Sky Crypto channel. In this video, I will share you less important updates about Hippo coin. Its price prediction this year mega bullion pickle. This meme coin is already listed in Binance Future. So, is it also possible that we can see its listing on Binance Spot and Coinbase too, or not? So, videos be very special, very important. You have to just for the complete video here. Friends, I see shooting is name, Hippo is symbol. This meme coin is working on Suichain after Moondang's massive hype in crypto market. Another Hippo theme meme coin was created in Sui ecosystem and its name is Sui Tang Hippo. $0.0042 current price. And friends, I see last 30 days 16% dump, last 14 days 9.9% dump. Is because again entire crypto market is dumping, so that's why its price is barely dump here. But still market cap I can see friends for 2.8 million dollars, so market cap is still good. Last 24-hour trading volume is 29.3 million dollars. Friends, still trading volume is good because already listed on many best central exchanges. 10 billion coin supply, all in circulation. I can see friends, Sui ecosystem meme coin. Okay, Zoo theme meme and Sui meme. So this is good. We are 85% down than its all time high. They were 4 months ago, and only 3.5% up than its all time low. They were just 10 days ago. So recently, this meme coin has hit its all time low. So right now we are on its all time low. So this is can be the best buying opportunity here because this hippo is right now on its all time low. Friends, these are the central exchanges where this coin is already listed: Get.io, MEXC, Bitcat, KuCoin, Albank, and CoinW. Cactus Exchange, that is a suite. DAX is listed, HTX is already listed this coin, and many other central exchanges has also listed this coin. You can see these are some other central exchanges. Binance Futures is also listed this coin, so it's possible definitely that we can see its listing on Binance Spot also. So friends, performance from this Hippo coin is still good. And first, my price prediction about this meme coin is that its current market cap is $42.7 million. But friends, this is one of the most hyped meme coin in Sui ecosystem, one of the most market cap and trading volume meme coin in Sui ecosystem. So it's definitely possible that we can see its market cap also in $1 billion here, because Sui chain is also going to fast its first mega bullion with meme coins, and this is another new meme coin going to fast its first mega bullion super cycle meme coins mega bullion. So that's why it's also possible that this meme coin has potential to reach at least 10 to 15 billion dollars per cap. It's really possible that Sweden Hippo coin can reach at least $15 billion market cap, because it's still lots of central exchange listings are left here. And after Solana we have massive high for Sui ecosystem meme coins. So that's why friends, this meme coin cannot be ignored because already listed on many major central exchanges. So that's good. That's maybe we can see it's listing on many other major central exchanges. Many other tier 1 central exchanges can list this coin, and after that we can see it's massive hype in crypto market. And this meme coin can reach at least $15 billion per cap in this year's super cycle meme coins mega bullion. Because friends, I see trending coin, and right now Sui, that is the main coin. Okay, right now this coin is trending and 16% pump in last 24 hour. Current price is $2.8. So it's also possible that Sui coin can hit at least 40 to 50 dollar price. Okay, 40 to 50 dollars price in this year mega bullion. So at that time definitely we can see a massive high for all Sui ecosystem meme coin. Then definitely this meme coin, shooting hippo and Luffy coin, both can do amazing and can reach $1 billion market cap here. So it's definitely possible. I holding this coin or not, because I'm already holding this coin on Get.io exchange, and if not have Get.io and MEX exchange accounts yet, I'll provide you both central exchanges links in description. You can join both central exchanges where you can buy all the meme coins, okay, before listing on tier 1 central exchanges. So friends, are you holding this or not? You can must comment down below.